Good morning, friends. Uh, Today I have come for a long run and hope I may do a little bit longer, should cover a longer distance. Almost I have started it. Uh, uh, Sun is there, weather is fine, and I have just started and I'm hoping to cover some good distance so that it may be a memorable long run. Uh, Friends, in the previous week I couldn't manage my long run, so I'm compensating that today on Sunday. But generally I don't do it on Sunday, I take a rest day. But today, as per circumstances, I have to do it. Friends, till now it's nice, good running, good weather, and since it's a long run, it doesn't matter how kilometers do you go. The main aspect is how long you can be on your legs. That matters. Though this long run, such long runs give opportunity to you to rethink strategy of refueling yourself, because that can't be done on the race day. You have to try those things in a long run only, and you need not feel tense, relax, because you have to devote hours on this running, and so you take it easy. Of course, this is a well-known place to me. It's my native area and nothing to worry, except you have to be cautious of stray dogs. Those are generally everywhere, but here I think these puppies and dogs all know that I generally come here for a run, so I don't feel I don't have any danger from them. Otherwise, at new places, it's generally risky. Everything fine, running going smooth, nothing to worry. Till now, I don't have any fatigue in my legs, and I'm composed, doing my work, moving ahead. This is a phase of life. You might be thinking that how long I have been running. As far as running is concerned, short distance sprints like I used to do them in school, and in my college days I used to participate in some middle distance running. Thereafter, I couldn't go for running or carry it on. Thereafter, in my employers, the New India Assurance Company, my breadwinner, there I participated in two annual athletic meets at Chennai, Mumbai, and even Pune. Way back in 90s. Thereafter, it all started, and then again, when I was posted in audit, we had a good group. Anil Sharma ji, Ashok Kumar ji, and one of our junior friend Pradeep Kumar ji. We had a good company, we had a good understanding, and though our in charge Ranjan, she used to remain apart, aloof from us, but we didn't mind that thing. And as far as running is concerned, whenever we used to go at different places for cross audit of regional offices, or Pradeep was interested in running, he used to accompany me. May it be Bhopal, may it be Chandigarh, may it be Kanpur, or we went Asansol. We were there, and we went to Kerala also, and Pradeep used to accompany me, and we used to run, both we used to run. It was a nice time, good time, and we enjoyed a lot, though work pressure was always there, but it doesn't matter. Friends, nice going. Whenever I remember these things, I feel very happy, very nice. And in fact, for long distance running, I started thinking when I posted in Jaipur. There, I was posted in Bhamasha. Good office, good colleagues, everybody was so nice, and I spent my time there very peacefully, very good quality time I spent there. Everybody was so nice there. Even today, I feel happy thinking about that Jaipur posting. There I used to have my run, and then I started taking it long distance seriously. There I used to go in park, and there early in the morning I was to go running. There I had my senior Dharmveer Jhansa, so nice person, so respectable person, because I cannot forget he unofficially allowed me to stay in that batch accommodation where I was not allowed. I was in some other batch accommodation with some persons from Delhi, and I fell apart from them because due to their petty politics and all these things. And Dharmveer Jhansa amicably allowed me unofficially to stay in that very nice one. I will mention also Abhishek Tripathi. I had a good time with him. He was a nice junior. He used to respect me, and I had a very good time spent with him. Though with my Delhi colleagues, I fell apart due to the petty politics. Why they were so they carried ego, I feel. Going for my early morning dance classes, or in the evening I had guitar classes. Everything I tried, yeah. So nice time spent, friends, going great. Though fatigue has started coming in, but at this stage you have to hold it. You have to show your stamina here. No need to hurry, no need to go fast, but hold it on and try to do as much as you can, but not beyond your limits. Don't overdo it. Understand your body, and then go for it. Never commit a mistake going against your body, because you have to pay very dear for that. So be relaxed, slowly move ahead. Friends, completed 22 kilometers. Last 2 kilometers I tried at a pace, at fast pace I mean to say, and it was nice, good one. Though initially, or up to I think 17 or 80 kilometers, I didn't have any problem, but thereafter the speed work made me jittery, and but still I managed it. I tried my level best, to run at a fast pace, but not beyond my threshold, but approximately at about my threshold run. Morning has been nice. I enjoyed it, really I enjoyed it. All running was on road itself. It was unlike Leisure Valley where there's mud track and you have a different type of run. You don't have so much load on your legs, but on tar or on road, you have to take care of that thing. Okay, friends, thank you for connecting with me. Have a nice day and maintain your health. Okay.